Hi, my name is Monique T. Sam, and I am from Bishop, California, and I work for a tribal early Head Start program serving children birth to 3 years old. I selected to focus on the higher ECE teacher qualifications because I feel that this is an issue in the infant and toddler field of ECE. And I feel like the job is harder for teachers to work with children in the infant and toddler age group, considering that, they're still changing diapers and, taking care of that younger group is much harder. So I feel that the job doesn't have as many stringent pathways that create a pathway for staff interested in working in the infant and toddler field. So what I was thinking was it would be nice if we had a clear pathway for those interested in working in the infant and toddler field. Then that way they can work on their school, work toward getting a bachelor's degree, and they would, better serve the children that they're working with because they'd be more qualified and also, receive better funding and pay. So these issues, I think, affect the children because if the staff are not educated working with infant and toddlers, then the quality of the program isn't as great. So the children are affected highly due to this. So also when there's lower pay, then those staff also may, leave their job or not last long. And so the children end up having, losing a teacher and the turnover is high and that's their primary caregiver. So now that child no longer has that caregiver that they just built an attachment with. So I feel like it's very important that we look at trying to compensate our teachers, but also have them build their education and have like a clear pathway to get to that point. And to be able to work on this, I feel like we need to push with policymakers to set a clear pathway that's consistent and easy to understand for all states across the U.S. This way, if we have someone who wants to work in the ECE field, they're able to use that same pathway if they moved from state to state, and their qualifications would be the same no matter what. This would help, I think, give that consistency. Also, I think that if we had better access to the education to help support those interested in becoming an ECE educator, then we would end up possibly having more teachers qualified if they were able to afford it or they had some give backs for attending school. Just because I know that's often hard for some teachers to go to school while working. So I think this would be a great start in trying to build a better ECE system and having high quality care. So that was all I have for tonight. Thank you. Bye.